Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your first product on Shopify. If you are a beginner or a dropshipper or you have a physical businesses, I will guide you step by step through the first product setup. Don't worry, I will show you the easiest method to list any product on your Shopify account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, after you log in on your Shopify dashboard, go directly to the third one on the left side and hit on products. Then guys, click on add product in the middle of your screen. As you see guys, this is the section of adding product. Then guys, the first one you need to add is a title. You can add your own title if you have a physical business or business online. If you are a dropshipper, for example, I will copy the link. The title of this product is a necklace woman, for example, the large necklace woman. This is the title, for example, just an example to show you step by step how easily adding product on Shopify. Then paste it. Then guys, you need to add a description. Then if you have already created your own description, or you can copy the description on some platforms, for example, just an example, copy and hit on and paste. Then guys, you need to upload the pictures about this product. Then hit or upload a new picture. For example, this is this one. This is the picture. Then the category necklace and jewelry. Then guys, after adding the pictures, scroll down to pricing section. For example, $50, $59 before. Then this section is only about you. You can add your cost item and it will give you the profit and the margin. For example, I buy the product in $5. As you see guys, the profit is 45 and the margin is 90%. Then guys, scroll down to quantity. How many quantities that you have. For example, 200. Then guys, you need to scroll down to shipping. This is a physical product and you need to add how many grams. For example, a necklace, I think it's only 20 grams, or 40 grams, for example. Then guys, a variation. If you have a variation on your product, for example, too much colors and too much sizes, then you need to add options like size. For example, colors, add colors. Every colors you need to add his price and how many available, and you need to add the picture. Then scroll down to the category. You can add some categories. As you see guys, this is the easiest method to add any product on Shopify. Then on the final, hit on save. Then automatically the product, it will added on your Shopify store without no issues or no problems. Then hit on save. Then wait a few seconds to add the product on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.